Namaste all of you. Welcome back to Inspiring Math and Science. This is Tamya. Yeah, today in this class we are going to learn about the properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Okay. Enrich 1 we have completed and we had come for the things that are related to the importance of integers, that is property in today's class. Okay. Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. Yes. Let us go to learn these all the things. Before that, once again, heartily welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Inspiring Math and Science. Yes, we'll move to the properties of addition and subtraction. Okay. Now, we are going to learn these things in this class. First property is closure property. Closure property. Yes. What the closure property says, if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is also an integer, that is of addition. Okay. And closure property of subtraction, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Let us take the example to prove that. I am going to first, according to addition. Yes. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. Example I am taking. Suppose if a is minus 3 and b is 2, then if a and b are any two integers, see here, minus 3 and plus 2, those two are integers as we know. Minus 3 is a negative integer, 2 is the positive integer. Then a plus b is also an integer. They are telling the sum of those two and the difference of those two is also an integer. They are saying. What the property? Closure property is saying. Let us check that. A plus b. It means a means minus 3 plus b means 2, which implies minus into plus. The operation is minus, means subtraction. 3 minus 2, 1, and the sign should be the bigger integer, greater integer sign, that is 3. The 3 is the biggest number which is having minus sign. Clear? See here, minus 1 is also an integer. Clear? Yes. Here, closure property of addition is telling if a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. It is holds good. Okay, as we know. Now, we'll go to the subtraction. Here we learned according to addition. Clear? Now, we'll go to see that property on subtraction. We'll check. Okay, either it will come or what. Yes, closure property of integers under subtraction. If a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Okay, the property is saying, let me take an example. If a is equal to 4 and b is equal to minus 2, then we'll check a minus b. That is what? A minus b, which is equal to a means 4 minus b means minus 2, which is equal to 4 as usual. We'll open up the bracket, minus into minus plus 2, which is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 6 is also an integer. Clear? Yeah. Here, closure property of addition and subtraction holds good. Clear? Closure property of integers under addition and subtraction both are holds good. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is also an integer. Along that, if a and b are any two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. Closure property holds good for both addition and subtraction of the integers. Clear? Yes. Yes. We'll move to the second property, that is commutative property. Let us take that commutative property. What it says? Second property, that is commutative property. Commutative property. We'll take this property now. What it says? If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B is always equal to B plus A. This is what commutative property of addition. I am taking first according to addition. If A and B are any two integers, then A plus B always equal to B plus A. Clear? Yes. Let us take the examples for that. Example. A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Now, if we go to the commutative property, it should holds good for A plus B always equal to B plus A. Sum of the two integers should be equal to the sum of the same integers with different place. Clear? Yes. Now take A plus B. A means 2 plus B means 3, which is equal to B plus A. B means 3 plus A means 2, which implies 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to 3 plus 2, 5. Yeah. See here, it is holds good. Commutative property under addition of integers holds good. Clear? Yes. Let us check for subtraction. Yes. By seeing only we can tell the commutative property does not holds good for subtraction of the integers. Yeah. See here. If A and B are any two integers, it means A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. Then A minus B is equal to B minus A? Never. Let me check that. Just I will show you why this commutative property of subtraction will not hold good. A minus B is equal to B minus A. We need to clarify. Okay, we need to verify this. It will not come equal. Okay, let me check that. Later we will change the sign. Yeah. A minus B, 2 minus 3 is equal to B minus A, 3 minus 2. See here, 2 minus 3, that is minus 1, which is equal to 3 minus 2, that is plus 1. Here see, what is there? Here minus 1 is there, here plus 1 is there. It means A minus B does not equal to B minus A, which means commutative property of subtraction of integers does not holds good. Or else simply we can tell commutative property of subtraction not holds good. Okay? Yes. Now, we'll move to the associative property. Third property, I hope so. For you it is clear. We'll move to the associative property. Yes. Third property, associative property. We'll see what this property says. Okay. Simple. If A, B and C are any three integers, then A plus B plus of C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Clear? Here see, if A, B and C are any three integers, then A plus B plus of C is equal to A plus of B plus C. Okay. Let me check this with an example. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2 and C is equal to 3. Yes. Let me check this associative property, that is A plus B plus of C. That is A means 1 plus 2 plus of 3 is equal to A plus of B plus C. That is 1 plus of 2 plus 3. Yes. Here see, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 3 is equal to 1. Here 2 plus 3, 5, which implies 3 plus 3, 6 is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. Which means associative property of addition holds good for the integers. Okay. Yes. By seeing only we can tell associative property of subtraction does not holds good. Yes. Now we'll move to the Additive identity. Additive identity. What is the additive identity? Since from your 5th standard you are learning this. Yeah, what do you mean by additive identity? What is the additive identity? 0. Yes, multiplicative identity 1. Okay, you people are well known about this. I hope so. Yes, additive identity is 0. Clear? Yes, if a plus 0 is equal to 0 plus a is equal to a. It means any integer added to 0 or else 0 added to any integer gives the integer itself. Okay, this mean is that only. Now we'll take, suppose if, example I am taking, a is equal to minus 9. Then we'll check this. Minus 9 plus 0, which means minus 9 itself. Okay, integer has come. Now 0 plus of minus 9, that is equal to 0 minus 9, which implies minus 9 itself. See the integer. It means 0 added to any integer or else any integer added to 0 gives the integer itself. Clear? The answer will come the integer. Clear? Yeah. Now we'll move to the Enrich 2. That is our exercise. Enrich 2. Just concentrate all these properties. These properties will helpful for your higher classes also. In math, what the property, what the agenda you are going to learn now, all will be repeating in your higher classes till you learn math. And also, you know, math is our daily life, right now. In our daily life also, all these properties, everything will be coming and going. It means we are using all the properties directly or indirectly in our life. Yes, chalo, we'll go to Enrich 2. Enrich 2. Yes. Nice feedback is coming. Really, I felt so happy. Thank you so much for you. And support my channel like this. Thanks a lot. Chalo, we'll move to Enrich. Yes, in that Enrich 2, first main, simplify the following. We need to simplify that. Simplify the following. Under that, the question A. That is what? Minus 56 within the bracket. Minus 56 plus 48. Yeah. We'll go to solve these. Minus 56 plus 48. According to our property of addition and subtraction. We know that right now. What the resulting sign should come. What the operation should come. If both the negative integers added. If both the positive integers added. If a negative and a positive integer added. Okay. Just you glance those all the properties or else the sign and come to here. Here see, open up the bracket, just you write down minus 56 plus 48. Here a negative integer added with a positive integer. Then minus into plus, minus means operation should be subtraction. First you subtract simply this. 56 minus 48. What you will do? Here 16. 16 minus 8. 8. Here what is there? What is there? 4 is there. 4 minus 4, 0. Here, plus into minus minus, subtraction we have done. The sign should be the bigger integer sign. That is 56 is the bigger integer which is having negative sign, which implies minus. Here the question number B. That is what? Question number B. Within the bracket, 126 minus 96. 126 minus 96. Bracket close. Minus of minus 89. Clear? Yeah. See here, in this question, 126 minus 96 is within the bracket. And then minus of minus 89 is also in the bracket. First, according to vernaculars of DMOS theory, we learnt already vernaculars. If vernaculars came means, we need to remove that first. Then bracket. After that, division, multiplication and addition, finally subtraction. That is now. Yes. According to that rule, you need to follow here. Vernaculum is not there. Vernaculum, vernaculus, both are same. Vernaculum is not there. Just you leave that. Come to the bracket. Bracket is here. First open up that bracket. Here see, minus 126 minus 96. We need to subtract these two. 6 minus 6, 0. 12 minus 9, 3. Okay. Among these two, bigger number sign should come. That you know. 126 is the bigger number, bigger integer. It is having positive sign. No need of keeping here plus. Okay. That is understood. Come to here. Here see. Within the bracket minus 89. Here again already one minus is there. We need to multiply that. Bracket we need to remove. So, minus into minus plus. Put here plus. Write the number as it is. 89. Now, 30 plus 89. Here both are positive integers. The resulting sign should be obviously the bigger number sign. Along with that, bigger number sign. Along with that what? We should add both the things and we should keep the positive sign. Clear? Yes. Here 30 plus 89. That is 9 plus 0, 9. 8 plus 3, 11. Here both are having positive sign. Here positive sign. Clear? Yes. Now we'll move to the question number C. We'll move to the question C. What the question is? Within the bracket minus 57 minus of, again within the bracket minus 24 plus 48. Yes, my kids. Here see again the bracket. Just to remove the bracket first. Minus 57 write as it is. Here see minus. Again keep as it is minus because within the bracket some operation is there that we need to do according to our rules. Here minus. Minus into plus minus. Operation should be subtraction. First you subtract. 48 minus 24. That is 24. Clear now? 24 plus 24, 48. Here bigger number sign, bigger integer sign. That is 48 is the bigger integer which is having plus sign. Keep bracket now. See here simply I have done only the bracket. Only I have done the operation only for bracket. See here kids. Minus 57 as it is I have written. Minus also. Here within the bracket I have taken the operation. Minus into plus minus we should subtract. 48 minus 24 that is 24. Among these two bigger integer is 48 which is having positive sign. So for the number which is there in the bracket is getting positive sign. Yes, now again open up the bracket. Minus 57 minus into plus minus 24. Yes, now again if two negative integers are added then what should be there? Operation should be addition and keeping the negative sign. Here see minus into minus plus. Just to add these two integers. 7 plus 4, 11. 1 went here. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Here bigger number is 57 which is having minus sign. It means negative sign. First see whatever the simplification they may give. Just you first see the vinculum. Vinculum is not there in this integer. Just to leave that. Just to come back to what? The operation on brackets. Okay. Just you need to open up the bracket. Later on come to addition. Finally subtraction. Because this is on only addition and subtraction of the. Now we'll move to the D question of the first main. Okay. We'll move to D question. What the question is? Within the bracket 42 minus 56. 42 minus 56 and plus again bracket open 84 minus 123. 84 minus 123. Okay. Yeah. See here. Here both are bracket because first we need to go to solve the bracket. We need to open up the bracket first. Yes. Let us take this. 42 minus 56. Here one positive integer along with negative integer. Operation should be subtraction. First simply subtract the things. Here see 42 minus 56. That is 6 minus 2, 4. 5 minus 4, 1. Here what the sign should come? bigger integer sign. That is 56 is bigger integer. That is having negative sign. Now come back to positive sign along with this bracket. Bracket will open along with the same sign. I kept plus. Just you see here, plus into minus, minus. We need to subtract these two. Here 123 minus 84. Okay. 13 minus 4, 9. Here 11 minus 8, 3. 39. Right. Here among these two, 123 is the bigger integer which is having negative sign. Yes. Come back to here. Again minus 14 write as it is. Here multiply the signs to open up the bracket. Plus into minus, minus. 39. Here both are negative integers. Both are negative integers. Then the operation will be in the addition. Addition only. So 9 plus 4, 13. 3 plus 2, 5. Bigger integer is 39 which is having negative sign. Or else if both are negative integers, then the sign will be negative itself. Okay. Yes. Now we'll move to the equation. Question number E. Now we'll move to the question number E. Take down the question. Minus 13 within the bracket. Minus of minus 11 plus 14. Minus of minus 11. Sorry, minus 17 that is. Not 11. Take down 17. 17 minus 25. Yes. Now we'll go to remove the bracket first. Write down minus 13 as it is. Minus into minus plus 11 plus 14. Minus into minus plus 17 minus 25. Yes. Here what we need to do? First we need to go through addition. Add all the integers, positive integers. Here see these three are positive integer. Just you write down minus 13. Here 11 plus 14. 14 plus 11 that is 25. Here plus sign actually. And plus 17 minus 25. Here again addition we need to do. Minus 13 plus into plus plus. The operation will be addition itself. 7 plus 5, 12. 1 went here. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Among these, 25 is the biggest which is having positive sign. Minus 25 as it is. Yes. Here minus 42. Right. Plus 42. Right as it is. Take these negative integers. Both are negative integers. Means we need to add those two. Minus 25 minus 13. 25 plus 13. What is? 38. Here both are having negative sign. Put negative sign here. Now the subtraction. 12 minus 8. 4. Here what is there? 3. 3 minus 3. 0. Which means the answer is positive 4. Clear? Yes. These are all the things what we learned in the simplification. Clear my kids? Simple it is. First you need to open up the bracket. Later on just you move to the addition, then subtraction. I have told you here division and multiplication vernaculum will not come. Just you concentrate on the brackets. Just you open up the brackets. Later on just you need to move on bracket, then addition, finally subtraction. Yes, thanks for watching my video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel Inspiring Math and Science. And if you like the video, kindly share to your friends and family. Thanks for watching my video. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.